Hey guys, Brian here, and I'm back with a quick video on some real-time saving pieces of equipment, cable tie tools. The first one I'm going to be covering is the standard everyday tool. It's great for mini to standard cable ties. The dial near the bottom of the handle allows for adjustable tension, which is great for different applications. Once the specific tension is reached, the tool will automatically cut the zip tie. Next up is the heavy duty tool. This tool is compatible with mini to heavy duty ties. It does not have an adjustable tension dial like the standard tool, but is equipped with a manual cutter. Finally, there is the stainless steel tool. This tool is specifically designed for use with stainless steel cable ties. It comes equipped with an adjustable dial to specify tension and will automatically cut the ties when that tension is reached. Next up, we're going to see each tool in action. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.